Hey folks, BlackCross and Dal Marr here, back with Kingdom Hearts Rechain of Memories.
And we are in a belly of a well, which is just peachy.
Yep. I went on ahead and opened up all the doors and everything like that, so we just need to go over here.
Alright.
If I don't get turned around, that is.
You might accidentally, probably, I'm not sure. I'm not sure because the map is like a block and it gets very confusing and oh gosh!
Yeah.
So that means that compass doesn't work that well. I mean, it works, but it just moves around so quickly.
Alright.
But,
Think.
wait, what's the red?
It's just closed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh!
It's closed from that side. But the yellow means it's opened up through that way.
Oh! Okay, I didn't know if that was like an extra path or if we haven't
No.
done that.
Sometimes they circle around and everything like that, and unless you've opened it from that side, it'll just say,
the key, you just go, oh wait, there's two keys.
Yeah.
Two, not keys.
one of them is the key of rewards. And I thought I killed all of them. Apparently not.
What level are you at now? Because I know you did
22.
Okay. Wait, weren't you there last time? Oh well, you at least like knocking out enemies one by one.
Right.
That's the best part.
Also, no, I think I'll hang on to it for now. Because I've opened up all the pathways and everything, so we should be fine.
So first we go into the key of beginnings.
Yep.
Ah! Turn down the light! I can't see! Ah! Wish I would have brought my sunglasses, but I forgot them back in the island of bottom. Geppetto! Hey, home timer! Wake up! Bless. Oh wait, will you want to voice him?
You can if you want to. I don't know.
Okay, I know your throat was aching, but
It's up to you.
Bless my soul, it's Jiminy Cricket. How in the world did you get in here?
you tell me. How does a clockmaker wind up in the belly of a well?
Well, it's a long story, ellipses.
4 hours later. So you sailed out to look for a wooden puppet. And Maestro swallowed you, duh!
Yes, but I found my son. I would do anything for my Pinocchio.
But now you can't get out, can you? Being stuck in the belly of a well is awful.
Especially the smell. Now that Pinocchio and I are together, that makes everything a little bit better. There's nothing better than being reunited with someone you care about.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
I don't care if I'm trapped here so long as I have Pinocchio. He's such a good boy.
Well, he still tells fibs, but with a little help from me, ellipses.
Oh, Jiminy, you worry too much. Also, my back is aching. Does any of y'all have any ibuprofen?
Speaking of Pinocchio, where is he?
He was here a minute ago. Where he's gone this time, I do not know.
I expect he's off exploring. That boy has been poking around just about everywhere inside this monster. He won't tell me why it's so important. I tell him it's dangerous, but he won't listen. Grateful punk.
That boy's a handful, sir, if you don't mind.
I know. You want us to find him, right?
Actually, no, I was wondering if you could just give me a little, like, massage my back a little bit.
Come on, guys. Let's get going.
Oh! He finally has high jump!
That helps out tremendously.
Which is actually kind of ironic, considering the fact that we had high jump, we gained double jump in Monster in the first game.
Right.
What an unbelievable coincidence! And that's the key of awards.
Yeah, we haven't got one yet. I say we won't be getting it until, like, Atlantica. I don't know what it is about Atlantica, but for some reason that's like the best place to farm for the Key of Rewards. But we're not trying to complete this, so
if we did, we would be here for 50 parts.
Yeah. But if we were getting...
don't you want to turn around?
What do you mean?
You went up.
Oh, you kept better track than I did.
Anyway, as you were saying...
If there was one card that I would want from the Key of Rewards, it's the one in, Twilight Town, because of the Roxas card. Because when you get him, it allows you to do double damage. Which is pretty impressive, in my opinion.
Don't go back! Don't go back! Okay, there it is. See, we made it just in time.
Yep.
The key to guidance, initiate.
And this is where we'll fight against the boss in this area.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We got, that thing. Column Heartless.
I keep forgetting what it's called, but it's something Parasite.
Oh! Oh.
Is it me, or is Pinocchio more wooden in this one?
I think so, I'm not sure.
Because his legs look more of a block than anything.
Pinocchio, what are you thinking? You know Geppetto worries when you wander off by yourself. Jiminy was worried too. It was very un-American-like. I'm sorry, ellipses.
What are you doing anyway? Looking for something?
Yeah, I'm looking for treasure. No! Dang it. Here we go again. But Jiminy! Now don't be so hard on the little fella, Jiminy. We promised not to give Mad Pinocchio. Is that why you're afraid to tell? No need to fret. Tell us the truth. We'll understand. Put your trust in Goofy, Ellipses. I was looking for a way out. Father said he's happy, but as my father was stuck here, I shouldn't have run away from home. I want to have Father get home to the workshop, but he'll worry if I tell him what I'm doing. So that's why you thought you had to tell a lie. You did it 'cause you love your papa. All you need now is courage and the strength of an American people. What? Don't you bet out the truth. With a little courage, you can do it. It is not... If you tell him how you really feel, I bet he'll help you find a way out. It is not what you do for your country as what your country can do for you, motherfucker!
The bad thing is, Daniel, I haven't watched or read Donald Trump's inauguration speech, but that was pretty funny.
I was just quoting from the JFK inauguration, I think. I can't remember. It's a famous line that he's known for saying. Anyway, go ahead.
And we'll give you a hand.
Here you go.
Now that's my kind of joke.
Really? You'll help us? Okay, I'll give it a try. Wish me luck, Jiminy. No more keeping secrets then. Have we got a deal? Yes! Yes! Sure, I'll be brave and tell Father how I really feel. No lies this time. Great! Now, then your nose won't.
What's happening?
Go, go. I got a bad feeling about it. That's Han Solo's line! Pinocchio, run for it! Oh good, it's you. Oh good, it's purple. Help! I'm trapped!
What?
Oh yeah, it should be obvious, really. Now I remember when I was playing the Game Boy Advance version that this boss was a bit of a pain, especially with the whole circulating platforms.
Yeah.
But of course, with it being on PS2, it's not that big of an issue. I hope.
Oh boy!
No,
I think I screwed up big time.
No, never mind.
Why can't I lock onto him?
Chris, get off! Get on the platforms!
I'm trying to! Something's up! That's what I was trying to do.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Ooh, sweet HP. Oh gosh. Get up, get up, get up!
I couldn't jump!
Oh yeah. You can't jump with those stupid summons. Well,
That was terrible! It's like all of a sudden I forgot how to control!
alright, it's up for round 2. And that's 2 in French.
What?
Duh. D-U-E-X. Duh.
That's how you spell it? When did you have time to learn this shit?
Categories.
Oh.
You gotta love the guy. Now then, jump! Okay, there it goes. Now jump on the platform. There we go.
Ouch.
But I didn't go well. Ooh!
Now this is much better.
Not so much. Well, shoot. I am so happy that it canceled Donald out. Otherwise, that would have hurt. You almost got him.
There we go. Now that's more like it.
Took a while. Again, this boss was actually more annoying in the Game Boy Advance version. Even though this one was also a pain. But we got Blizzard and Fire Raid.
Yeah,
I know there's a Thunder Raid.
There is. We just haven't got Thunder yet for some odd reason.
Maybe that's after we get to the end or when we fight
I figured
Vexen.
you would have gotten it from Olympic Coliseum because that's when you learned it.
Yeah.
You know, you got Fire from Traverse Town. Blizzard? Ooh.
Help! I'm scared!
Okay.
Help! I'm scared!
Pinocchio, be brave!
Help!
Don't give up. Try fighting your way out.
Be brave! Ow! Okay, I'll try. Ow!
That's one tough little puppet right there.
Pinocchio, are you alright? Don't worry, I'm okay. Just a little sticky. Ew. Cause if I'm in a well. But I have a great idea. That thing spit me out when I started fighting back. Why don't we try the same thing with Monstro?
Of course. If we're lucky, Monstro might cough us up.
Great idea. Let's go deep inside and deep and try it again. I don't want to go. This place is too disgusting. I'm going to. It's too disgusting. No, it's too dangerous. Oh, come on. You should be with your... Oh, great. I got my voice mixed up. You should be with Geppetto. No use escaping from Monstro if you two get separated again.
Leave this to us.
I guess you're right. Be careful, everyone.
Alrighty, now it's time to switch decks. Because this one is just thankfully just the Heartless.
Mostly the shadows, ain't it?
Yeah. Just like how it was in the original version.
Yeah. I'm trying to think. You have to kill a certain number and a time limit or something?
Yeah.
We got a long way to go.
Yeah.
Backtracking! Yay! Samus would be so proud.
Well, on the up note, while we're waiting until we get there, as of the timing of this recording, we are but within a day away before 2.8 comes out. Like, literally, tomorrow is out. And I am freaking excited!
You know you're gonna upload this in a week, and by the time you always start releasing episodes, but regardless.
Yeah, good point. But still, to the point. I'm freaking excited. And from what I've heard from a lot of people, they said that the port that they did for Dream Drop Distance in this one is by far probably the best one. And I think the reason why is because they didn't know how it was going to control from 3DS to the PS4. But from what they said, it worked out really well in the end.
Yeah. Like, I'm gonna get my PS4 when we get closer to, like, tax season. And, then I can finally play all the games I've been wanting. Well, I mean, like, I played Ratchet and Clank and Knack, which are great games, but I could play Crash Bandicoot Insane Trilogy, all remastered Kingdom Hearts games in 60 frames per second. I still don't know how that's going to work out. And then I also got Doom, because even though it seems it's maybe a bit different for me, I had Brandon and Yemi try it out once and it was pretty fun. Plus, I mean, Doom's a classic franchise in video games, so I figure why not.
Makes sense.
And oh gosh, this room. Looks like this is as far as we go.
Well, up, but... Ready then? Let's shake things up.
It would be easy if we had someone to fight. So, where's Hillary? Where is she?
Sorry, I apologize. That was too cheap of a joke. Chris?
Ah!
I don't know. That was too easy, I bet.
Still not that funny in my opinion. Anyway. Perfect timing. Looks like we got company.
Oh great, it's all the people from the Trump Tower got stuck in the elevator again.
Okay, let's hope I can do this.
Defeat the host of games. Fit the gauge within the time limit. Okay, yeah. So, destroy everyone!
And I'm gonna wait until Goofy actually has, like, a good amount of...
Or when you get all free Goofies.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say, but it didn't come out the way I wanted it to.
I don't think you have to worry too much about the whole 3 card combo thing.
It does help, though.
Yeah, but considering the fact that some of them won't appear after you reload.
I guess that's true.
I don't know, just comments or...
That was easier
Wait.
than I thought.
That's it! And we got an elephant in the monstro! What else do you have? A dragon? A lion? A freaking chicken?
You went from elephant to something smaller, and then something way smaller. No, wait. Elephant isn't... Would an elephant be bigger than a dragon? I guess it depends on which origin you're
actually,
looking into.
I was just gonna mention, I was mentioning Mushu, Simba, and Chicken Little.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't believe you didn't even get that.
It took me longer than expected. But anyway. Whew.
A hook.
I think that's Goofy.
The hook!
There you go.
It's working! Monster's gonna sneeze!
So, us fighting resulted into a sneeze. Are we in his nostril? That just made things worse, didn't it?
Whee! Oh my gosh, the milk is built up!
Ooh, that is disgusting. And we're out in his mouth. Ugh. Now I know what getting shot out of a cannon feels like.
Where's Pinocchio and his papa? They're gone. They must have gotten out safely. And yet all this wooden debris is still here. What the crap?
Without you, Jiminy, I thought there was no escaping your conscience.
I don't mind being left behind as long as they're both safe. Maybe Pinocchio doesn't need me after all.
What do you mean?
That little puppet used to have trouble telling right from wrong. But he's come a long way. Maybe he doesn't need Jiminy Cricket anymore. I'm going in retirement. Seems like he's got a conscience of his very own.
Don't you remember what Geppetto said? There's nothing better than being reunited with someone you care about. I bet Pinocchio's counting the days till he can see you again.
Well, what do you know? You might be right. So, how the crap do you get out of here? I'm getting so disgusted! Get me out of here!
Right?
But yay! We beat Monster and we can finally get out of this yucky, dusty... Well, we probably won't see Monster again until, like, I don't know, we just, like, beat him up. Maybe as some other character in the past? I don't know.
Excuse me.
And oh gosh, you're climbing on his broken bones!
Well, the good thing is we can just get out.
Please do. And I think we come from Vexen in this part, don't we? Or is
Not
that-
yet. That's not until the second set.
My bad.
It's alright.
Because I know, like, Vexen appears, like, shortly after you get done with the first set of cards.
No, it's Larxene you meet up first.
Oh, really?
Yeah, after you get through the first set, Larxene comes in, you fight her, she hands you the other set. Then you go through that set, you meet up with Vexen, then he gives you the card to Twilight Town. Then after that, you then get another card for Destiny Islands, and then after that, the end.
And then shortly after Vexen gives him the Twilight cards, Larxene and Axel to say, "He's a screw-up! Let him die!" and all that stuff.
And then comes the most beautifulest fan-made content in history.
Beautifulest fan-made content.
You don't remember? Involving South Park, of all things. Remember? The Christmas thing?
Oh, you mean where they take a scene where Cartman and Kyle, or where Cartman is trying to sing Holy Night and Kyle electrocutes him. That's been they've been using that in almost anything, like in Bleach,
Yeah, but
All
it
that-
just seeing that scene with that voice and everything like that, it was pretty hilarious.
And it's weird too, because in the fact that you don't like South Park, even though you love seeing Cartman tortured, beat up.
That what makes it the funniest. It's just to see the poor bastard get tortured to death.
If I made a 1 hour video of PC Principal just punching Cartman, you will watch that every day.
I would. Because I hate the bastard.
Well, I understand. Not everybody likes him. Heck, he's pretty despising. Even though those parts are probably the best where he actually does get beat up. I do admit.
It's just, he resembles the snarky assholes that I hate in the world.
Lies so deep in our hearts that
And that's why everybody wants to rule the
all that
world.
stuff about finding, being losing, and losing being
That's not
finding,
supposed to be referenced. I'm just saying that's
I didn't
true.
get it at first.
To rule the
Maybe
world, you have to be
this is
an
what they
a-hole.
meant.
So stop growing butts out of the butt garden.
How come me and Donald and Jiminy?
What?
I'm sorry. I'm pausing this moment. What did you just say?
Well,
Replay the clip!
So stop growing butts out of the butt garden.
Now what is it that you just said? Growing butts out of the butt garden.
to rule the world, you must become an a-hole. So, I don't know why I went with that joke. Can we pretend that didn't happen?
What is this game doing to us?
I forgot. Hey, wait.
We went from the Demon Duck joke to now Donald Duck Trump. And then what you just said.
And there was more.
Way more. Just what the fuck is this game doing to us?
You know, considering the fact that they're losing their memories and we're somewhere losing our memory, hopefully we will remember this moment in time.
Well, unfortunately, it's going to be on YouTube, so we will be remembering it every single time someone mentions it. Get back over here. Nope, I'm ashamed. You can't go any further.
Why does your room have to be so freaking small? Just play the film!
Remembering more of the stuff from our memories.
Come on, Goofy! Let's get going! We gotta forget things faster!
That's not really a good idea.
Forget sayings faster to what?
No offense, but at least in this game, it kind of makes sense. With what you just said is nonsensical.
Yes, forget faster! Let's go to a different topic! Have you noticed how white everything is? There's no colors except for the top of the freaking hair!
We'll continue with our
And Axel, who is your hairstylist? Because gosh dang, it is a beautiful spikiness for all
So
cosplayers.
this time, it's my turn.
Also, I don't get why you have the purple dashes there. That just makes no sense.
It's just part of the nobody type thing. Because whenever they turn to nobody, they slightly change. It's like, because when he goes back to being, if this is a spoiler alert, but when he goes back to being human, he doesn't have those
I'm
marks.
not gonna break the toy. I'm not dumb.
Don't forget, Sora is the key. We need him if we're going to take over the organization.
I know that you're in on it.
That would have been so funny if she did that instead.
At least until the time is right.
And Axel's like, what the heck? I thought it was funny.
Same, like scene.
Stairs.
Sora,
Why are there
anything
always
back there
stairs?
help you remember your friend's name?
Her name's the only thing I can't seem to remember.
You gotta try! Hurry up and
You got to forget faster!
That's, gosh, you have to forget things faster. That's, oh gosh. Alright then, well, normally we would go into the next area, but unfortunately we're out of time for this one.
Yeah, we always did our welcome. But then again, that's what happens when you've been in the belly of the whale for an hour. It gets to you.
Right. Anyway, though, until then, we'll see you in the next episode. This is BlackCross and Dal Marr signing off. Take care, guys.
And remember to forget faster what happened today! I will be so grateful if you forget!
You do realize that, more than likely, they're going to...
Forget! I feel so sorry for headphone users.
Yeah, if you're wearing headphones, be warned.
First off, why are you wearing headphones to begin with? Because...
To make certain they don't wake others up.
Yeah, but their ears are going to be bleeding afterwards, so... Sorry.
See ya.